Now, what does the proof mean? Well, usually it would mean you have your set of axioms and rules of procedure, and if you use them correctly and you derive this result from those axioms and rules of procedure, then you've got a proof. Now, what did Gödel do? But what he showed was that you could make a statement which in effect said, I am not provable by those rules. Okay, well, you can say, well, maybe it's false. But if it's false, then it is provable by the rules, and therefore it has to be true. It has to be true, but it's not provable by the rules. Now, this is very strange. You've got something which is true. You know it's true. How do you know it's true? Not by using those rules, because it's not provable by those rules. You know it's true because you understand why the rules only give you truths. And I think that's really very remarkable. It's your understanding of why the rules work gives you more than using the rules. What does that mean? What does understanding what the rules mean? Well, it's this awkward word, understanding. What is understanding? Well, it's something that involves consciousness. You see, it's a sort of, in the ordinary use of language, you say, an entity, does it understand something or not? Well, it rather implies, by the use of the word understanding, that it's at least aware of what it's trying to do. Can something understand something without even being aware of it? Well, not in ordinary usage. I mean, people might quibble about that. But the ordinary usage of the term understanding means at least it's aware of what it's thinking about or doing or something. Awareness, consciousness. So it does seem to imply that this is something to do with consciousness. And I found this very striking too. So I believe whatever's going on in our heads must be in accordance with the laws of physics. So there's whatever those laws are, they have to be something, well, they be something you could put on a computer. Well, then they would be computable, and then you would be back in the trouble with the Gödel thing. And it seems to me it's got to be something in the physical laws, that it is something to do with the organization of this stuff which is going in our air, which is acting in accordance with the laws of physics, but is not really something computable, as I say.